ngasi pangthok turiba political rally haga da kari haga ni masigi matang kitang han thabiu ni jetang
ngasi gi mass meeting amasung koina aigi supporter haitare moi koina silam basi bike rally ma yes school constituency sida silam bane abi potu kal iski sp na ikopen tau tre haga dc da ire kan covid ke protocol kai gani adu BVIP mo men lap taraga di option pi gani haga aduna rally amasung mass meeting so ya di haga
So from Supercop to Kansas Treasurer for Assembly election, how did the journey happen? Was it pre-planned? What was the motivating factor behind this decision?
It wasn't pre-planned. I tried correcting the system as an executive. Now everybody has seen it, how I fought for it, and challenges that I had to face this to bring the desired change in the larger interest of the people in the state. Now what I have decided is that I want to become part of the legislature.
Okay.
So that because of the political intervention and pressure from above, I cannot perform my duties to my optimum capacity.
So
hence I decided to become a legislature and contest the election.
So which party are you going to join, or are you going to fight it independently?
There are multiple offers as of now, but it will be the people of my constituency which will decide, help me decide which party I will join.
Are you yet to decide, or have you decided?
I'm yet to decide which party I have to
Okay,
join.
it comes to notice that you have been getting offers from BJP. So regarding this, what would you like to comment?
I have many options in this thing, major national parties, but I will disclose my decision after due consultation with the people from my constituency as to what they want. Yes, we can really see equity kanone. Laira basingsiga aduga kanosingsi youthingsi maramdi youthingsi akoida hujik chronically manipur la ibe issue si rising unemployment kanosing rate sing thabuk injanbam leitaba aduga tanari only source of employment si government job sing gatang ni job government job sing si koina SB no thabuk phangmana te thabuk leibane ba sakana thabuk yonba amasung koina thabuk leibane aduna sigi phamjira fit tongai leite thulaibi youth mayam si aduna youth sing siga laira sing siga hana uplift tawba moi hana empower to bisi democracy habisidi miyam na pan balenga haibani miyam gidamakta miyam na decide tawgadaba pot ni adi sigi pot si koina atopa constituency miyam gi rally miyam am sakre bike ki rallies public rallies miyam am sakre adugi mathakte koi honorable minister na tawninga dum tawba anytime height of covid matam sida mana puningba mi pudana adu gathering siam song na tawgi haitare so sida yam song na evident oiri si koida lo si masa gi lenga pana moi masa gi season ba aduga moina namdhaning migi against law season have singa sisne am saw example lam ga masi sabsana dum thingna gani lebak si moi mathanda gi na te law si moi mathanda gi na te